Okay, female Shar-Pei mix, about 1.5 years. A little male, young male, about 6 months. About 6 months old.
Yeah, say 6. There he is. Oh, easy on him.
Hi, baby boy. Yeah?
He's 5. Yeah, 5.
5 months? Okay, 4 to 6 months old. Very sweet. In here with this female. And what's the other one? What's the other one over here?
That's a female.
This is a
I think she's about 2 years old.
She's a older female, 1 to 2 years old. So we have 3 dogs in here right now. Okay. They're all getting along. Oh, and the border collie. And this is a female border collie?
Yeah.
How old is she?
Either border collie or cattle dog. She's 8.
She's
8 or 9 months old.
8 or 9 months old? So she's under a year old? Very sweet girl. Yes.